Hi Mohan, good morning. Hello Mohan, can you hear me?
Yeah, Anna. Good morning, Anna.
Yeah, good morning.
అన్న ఇవాళ పంపిస్తానన్న అమౌంట్ పంపించాక మీకు ఒకసారి కన్ఫర్మ్ చేస్తాను.
Fine, fine, okay, no.
ఓకే అన్న.
Okay, these two icons are very important. Once you log in remote system, as soon as, okay, we need to log in into SAP login pad. Okay, let me check. So I changed my server today. So I'm logging into BW4 HANA. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, what is the client for this? So the client for this system, you can see here, bottom. Okay, you can see 400 client. The system name is A4H. So in the same way, I'm logging into here, SAP HANA Studio. Because it is a BW4 HANA, if you want to create any object, we need to create in the HANA Studio. Fine. So whatever we created advanced DSOs, that will create into one by one. Practically we'll see how many tables will create. When we load multiple times same data, what will happen, we'll see. So now we'll see practically. Okay, staging advanced DSO. Also we'll see standard advanced DSO, standard ADSO, and also data mart ADSO, and also direct update ADSO. So we'll see all this, okay? And this is having only one inbound table, it's practically, and we are recalling, okay, inbound table, active table, and change a table. Okay, this is data mart. So these two tables are available, okay? And for this, it will have only one table. Okay, these many tables are available. Okay, you can see. So when I load this staging advanced DSO, where it will store? We having only one table, in one table only. It will store data physically. Okay, physically in the here. Here, when we load data into standard area, so it will store in one table initially. Then, okay, I will write here initially. Initially, initially stored in inbound table. Okay, this is the first step. When you do activate, data request activate, data request activate, data request activate, then data will move to active table, change log table parallel. I am writing here, change log table parallel. So both will go parallelly. Okay, next to this one, data mart advanced DSO. Initially it will store. Okay, I'm mentioning initially storing here. Okay, initially it will store in mountable. Here also same thing. Initially we'll store in inbound table. Here we don't have any concept of inbound table. Directly we'll store into active table. Okay. So now with the practical we'll see. Now for all these things, okay, I will take one load. I'm loading data from S4 HANA to S4 HANA to BW4 HANA. Taking one data source. What is the data source? Tool underscore VC item. This is the data source I'm taking. Where it is available, S4 HANA available. From S4 HANA to, I will replicate into BW4 HANA. Then I'm loading it. Okay. Then I'm loading it. We'll create one data flow as well. Okay. Now we'll go. So this initially we don't require all these things. So when you are joining, you will get some confused, right? I'm deleting this as well. So you will come to know. And now, so here we have a modeling perspective. You can go here, perspective, open perspective. You need to click on BW only. Once you click on this, see here BW project came. Click on BW project. So here this is the BW4 on a server. Just click here this. I'm just recalling everything. Okay. So you know, right? Client, what is the client? So you already logged in, right? BW4 HANA. You already logged in. So go here. So you will come to know, right? What is the client? What is the A4 HANA system? So you can see this is one, right? And user ID also you can see here. If you don't know user ID, see this is before user. And password we will know. Okay. Without password we cannot log in. And just finish it. So in this way we will add the project in workspace. See here, I added. So this is BW repository. I am going it. So I'm just searching my data source is available or not. We'll see. So what option I clicked on? Open BW object. See, open BW object. This one. Click this one, and I'm searching for my data source, whatever I want. So it's already replicated. Okay, already replicated. You can see here B4H and S4 900 and S4 2020. Like this, many are there. Okay, I want this one 1909 S4 HANA 1909. Okay, it's already in active mode. Okay, it's already in active mode. See, no need to activate it. See, there is no corner red color and all. So that means it is in active mode. So now what I will do, so when you click on this one, it will go link with editor. That means wherever we have data source in this folder level, it will take you to there. So just click this one. Automatically it will take you to there. See? So no need to search it. When you click on that, automatically you will come here. Okay? See here? You came here. So now what you do, right click, explore data flow. You know, right, how to create data flow. Okay, now it's came. So from which system? This is S4 HANA 990. So in the SAP login pad, we have a S4 HANA two systems. S4 HANA 2020 1909. Okay. So this is only right 1909. Okay, now I'll create this one. See, this is there is no name. So right click, I'm going to create. I'm going to create new object. See, we need to select this option, create data store. So we already see staging advanced DSO. We'll see the standard advanced DSO. Everything we'll see now. Okay. You need to give based on your project naming convention. You cannot give your own. The technical name of whatever you are going to create the names. That is, you should not give by your name and you should not give by your own. Okay, what they already prepared one format, in the same format we need to go. For example, they will create like no, we need to give Z and F5. I just give my own. Okay, I'm giving 01. So it will take or not, we'll see. Okay, like this I'm giving. And I'm selecting data source. What is the data source name? Okay, so automatically it will come source system when you click on browse. So we need to select our data source. What is our data source? Okay, this is the system S499. Okay, when you click on this, see, specify info area. Okay, I need to select the info area. I'm selecting. Okay, I'm selecting ABC and finish it. See how simple it is creating standard ADSO. So by default, it is staging data store object. I'm selecting the standard advanced DSO. Okay, it will. So we already seen staging advanced DSO steps and all. So I'm trying to activate. I'm trying to check before going to activate. Just check it. So it will throw error. Why it will throw error? We'll see now. See here. What is the error? We are missing key. Okay. So we need to maintain some keys. What is the keys here? See, manage keys available. If you without giving keys, so we'll get duplicate values. Okay. Now I just drag and drop or double click. Anything is fine. See, just a drag and drop. Okay, I just remove and I'm selecting double click and double click. So it is coming like this. This is how simple you can design it. So now I maintain and again I'm checking it. So now I am not facing any issue. Warnings always you can ignore. Warnings you can always ignore. Do not worry about them. And I'm activating it. Okay. Now once you activate, there is no corner red option under. You can see here. You can go here. The object is created. And what we need to do next step? What we need to do next step? We need to map it. How do you map? See, like this we can connect with the data source to there. Okay, automatically transformation came and DTP came. And I'm double click on transformation. See here, I'm clicking on fresh, finish. So what is the target here? Target our DSO, whatever we created. What is the source? This is the source. What is the source system? S4 HANA 1909 ODP. This is the system. In the system level, we have a one data source that will have a structure. Same structured data, we are loading data into data store object. So we are just creating the transformation which fields you required for your business analysis. So all these things we will do in the transformation level. We will map it. So here nothing, no need to do anything in this tab, general tab. Go to rules. This is the main. This is the main rules. Okay, here you can see everything is mapped it. You can select this one. Is it mapped or not? You can see what are the keys. You can see it. This is the key. Okay, this is the key. So here also you can see key. But in the source level, it is not mentioned, but table level, it is a key. Okay, I have mentioned key. You can expand, I will come to know this is the key. So sales document number, you already have 101. You are trying to create one more 101, it won't allow because already sales document is available. So that is the why we are maintaining key. The key, it won't allow you same number. Okay. And I'm activating it. See, in the corner we have a red symbol. When you activate, it will go away. So when it will have red color, you cannot load the data by using DTP. It should be in the without red color. See, it's gone. Now we'll create the DTP. So now it is in green color. Now it is gray color DTP. So we need to activate them. See, same type. After, see, these both are like no interdependent. Without transformation, I can't create DTP. If I want to delete DTP, you have to, if you want to delete like no, both are interdependent. Without DTP, I can't load. Without transformation, I can't map it. Both are interdependent. Very important. While you are doing implementation developments, so these are key player. So I'm just activating it, full update, and I'm activating it. Okay. So yesterday, what we are facing issue, like no, we are unable to load the data from S4, but we change the server. So right click and execute. Execute. Now we'll go to the S4 BW4 HANA. There is a one T code RSMNG. There you can monitor the request. What is our DSO name? This is data store update. Click on this. You can go inside. So now you can see the request. See what is the time here? 2025 12:16. What is the time? Current system time. You can go status. Go to system and status. What is the time? Just now we loaded. So for standard advanced DSO, how many tables are available? For standard advanced DSO, how many tables are available? Three tables, bro. Initially, where it is loading. So I'm making color, okay? So initially it is loaded to inbound table physically. So now we'll see into, see here. System time, time zone. System time is 10:47. That is time zone is 6:70. We just loaded 6:16. Okay. So initially where it is storing the data, just right click. You will get like no inbound table, active table, and change table. Three tables are there. You can see. So I'm going to utilities. So here we have a data in the new table. New data means what? Inbound table. In inbound table only. New data means inbound table only. Where exactly? See how many tables are there here. Go to here. New table, active table, change table. I will go to the active table. How many records are there? I'm checking it. Number of entries. Zero records. Because when we load data into the standard ADSO, data where it will store initially inbound table, not active table, not change log table. See, in change log tables also zero. I'm going to back. See here, how many tables, how many records are available in the inbound table? See, 69 records are there, right? If you want to see here, you can see here. What is the difference? Okay, request number, data packet number, request record number. We didn't add it. Automatically it is adding. So see, this is like no gray color. This is different color. See, these three are different. These three are different. Okay, I'm trying to load again. Okay, I'm trying to load again. What is the balance? You can see here. Where is the delivery quantity? I'm going to deliver quantity. I'll show you, then you will understand. Delivery quantity here it is there, okay? And you can see delivery quantity or actual quantity, anything, fine. Okay? And just making as a summation. Just making as a summation. How much it is, just remember it. Delivery quantity, how much it is there. 225, 324, 320. Why it is showing 3? Because of units are different, bro. Because of units are different. See here, we have two types of quantities here in this data. That is EHS and kgs. EHS and kgs. This is EA means EHS. Kg means kgs, kilograms. Okay. So now I'm trying to load again. So activate them. What will happen in activate? When you do the activation, what will happen? You understand the concept. You have to understand the concept. When we load data into standard ADSO, data will store physically into the inbound table. When you do activate the request, when you do the activate data request, data will delete from inbound table and it will move parallelly active table to inbound table. See, we'll see now. I'm activating it, okay? This concept is, I mean, in the real time, you will use 99% this standard ADSO. So now, once you get this symbol, I mean, you can see this one is activated. Okay. Now total request are only one request. We loaded only one time. Okay. Now I will go to change utilities and I will go to the new table. How many records are there? Zero records. Earlier we have 69, right? So after activation, it will go away. So now I will go to the active table. Now you can see here. How many records are there here? See, total 23 are there. Why 23? Why 23? We'll see now. Okay. And again I'm loading it. Again I will load. Okay. And I'll go HANA Studio. Again I will execute. What will happen? We'll see. Execute it. I'm executing. So now we'll see refresh. I just refresh. See here, automatically it comes requested. Just we need to refresh it. I executed in HANA Studio and I just mounting in RSMNG. How many records came? 69 only. Oh, 69 records. Where it will be stored initially? See, again it will come. Again it will come. Clear, huh? And down, and again we'll go here. Okay. Example, you take this one. You take this one, this record. Okay, will delivery document we are putting the filter and execute it. How many, see how many orders, how many documents are there here? Okay, same document present in 3 times. Same document present in 3 times. Same quantity, same quantity, same quantity, same quantity, same quantity, same quantity. You can see same document number. Okay. So what it will do, standard advanced DSO, it will override the records by default. By default, it will override. This is the advantage of standard ADSO. By default, it will override. So same record, it will have 3 times. Oh, okay, here. Okay, 69 by 3, how much? 69 by 3, how much? 23 records.
23.
23. So this means how many records came? 23. So it is overrated. It is overwritten. So now I'm doing it. So activate it. Activate it. There is no new records. So it will add only zero records. It will add zero records because there is no new record. Okay. Now I will go to the new table. How many records are there? Nothing. So okay. Now we loaded two times, right? It should have 20. It should have 46, right? No. How many records will be there? 46 or 23 now? See here, 23 only. Why? Because it is overwrite. Same data having two times. It will overwrite. Even if we load 1 lakh times also, 23 records only will be there. Because by default it will have overwrites functionality.
Overwrite.
Okay, override functional. Summation is there, but that is optional. If you don't want override, you can go for summation. Okay, by default it will support override. So the advantage of standard ADSO override by default override the data. So for staging advanced DSO, it won't support for override. It won't support for override. It won't support for summation. It won't support. See, that is what you see, right? Inbound table only. Staging advanced DSO having inbound table only. There is no override. There is no summation. That means if we load it two times, how many records would be there? 69 plus 69. How many?
138, sir.
69 into 2. So 138, right? Now what we will do, see, this is standard advanced DSO, but I'm not going to do any activation. I'm not going to do any activation. Okay, then it will be there available. See, now we already activated. This tick mark means activated. So again we'll load and you can see. Again I will go here. So another way I can execute it. Take this technical name of DTP. Okay, I'm showing you different option. Slash O RSDTP. This is BW for HANA system. And BW on HANA it won't support. Okay, RSDTP. And you can see in the bottom RSDTP. So I will paste it. Whatever I copied, right? This technical name of DTP, I paste it and execute it. Now we can go to execute tab and you can execute it. So even if you execute here also, it will load the data. Here. Okay, now we executed. So overall status is header. You can see 69 came records. From where it is coming? This is the source. You can see source. 2ls, 12. What is the target? This is what we created. Okay, when you created, what is your name? What is your user ID? This one. You are loading full or delta. So how many records is inserted? When you loaded 1612. At what time you loaded? 626. 627. So this time you will load. Okay, again I will go to see this symbol. Administration data target. See now how many records are there? Okay, now I will again I will execute. Again I will execute. Execute. Execute and then so both requests available in the inbound table only. In the inbound table, how many records will be there? You need to understand in this situation. You need to treat like in this situation, this is staging advantage as well. See here, still I didn't activate the request. How many records are there in the in new table? I mean inbound table. How many records are there? 138. Correct na? 69, 138. We loaded two times, right? Okay, again I will load it. Again I will load. What will happen? So three times we are loading. Just understand the concept override, okay? In the staging advanced also, we don't have active table and change table. If we load multiple times, it will take it up. It won't override. That's what I want to tell you. How many records are there? 69 into 3. 207. How many there? See, 207. If you load again, what will happen? So it's keep on adding in the inbound table. It won't throw you error. So system will not say to you, this is duplicate, this is not duplicate. It won't say. It will allow you in the inbound table. See, observe it. 69 into 4 times we done. 276. How many records are there? 276. Clear. Now you can see 276 records. Okay. Just execute. Now you can see. I will see here, right side. I'm doing it. See here. 276 records you can see in the top level. Okay. Now 276, right? When we do activation, what will happen? So I'm trying to activate it. Okay. I'm trying to activate it. So see here. I'm trying to activate it. Both. Refresh. So tick mark will come, bro. Tick mark will come, bro. Okay. Now again, activate it. We loaded 4 times, huh? Only I didn't refresh it that time. So, okay. So when activating, tick mark come. Otherwise, before we have a some square this box, active symbol came. When we do the activation, an activation complete. So here 00 means there is no new record. So total six request. These are request. Request display six request. Now you can go and check it in the active table. How many records are there? 23 only. If we load millions of times, 23 only. That is the advantage of ADSO. You can go change law table. You can go change law table. You can see how many records are there. 23 only. And you can check it. So here very important is one thing. This is record mode. All are new request only. I don't see any modified record. Sometimes no, they will raise the request in the source system level. One customer will come, they will give order. Again he will say within 5 minutes, he will cancel the request. That real time it will happen, right? One customer will come, he will give order. And within 5 minutes, 2 minutes only, he will say, no, stop it order. That will happen real time. Correct, na? At that time, he already created a sales order number. Okay. He will cancel in the source system level. When we load data BW, okay, whatever he created newly, that will come as a new. Okay. When he cancel, that will come as a D. D. In the report level, both should not show. It will handle. That's what I'm saying. That scenario I will show you. Example, let me clear you more. Example, Mohan came. Mohan is my customer. He came and given one KFC order. Some quantity, one quantity and amount is 200. So what happened? So within 5 minutes only I loaded the data in the report level. So in the report level it is showing. Within 5 minutes, what did you say? Please cancel the request. Because of you received some call from your home and due to that reason you cancel it. So I need to support you. Okay. When we cancel the request in the source system level, I mean source system means S4HANA system. Okay. When the cancel request, what is there? Same order. KFC one, I mean same order number is KFC 101 order number initially. So now same order number 101, I need to cancel it. I need to cancel it. Like this will come. So then when we load both records in the report level, it will show 0 only. Okay, system SAP system will take care automatically. Okay, what is the new system? This is new system. This is after change. after change. So now after change only it will display in the report level. So what is the order number? This is the both are same only. I cancelled it. So after image is showing 0 in the report level. So what is the after image? Here you can see n means new image. After image means blank. Okay, we'll see that scenario. I will show you. Okay, you clear right this one. Standard advanced DSO you clear right. You load the data. You load the data. Initially it will store in the inbound table. Okay, when we do the activation, data will move active table, change the table parallelly. Parallel. Okay, very, very important in the real time and work wise also. Okay, do you know that yesterday got two students offer? Yesterday only. Maybe you are in the group or not, I'm not sure. Okay, one guy 20 lakhs package, another guy is 15 lakhs package.
No, no, we are not in the group.
Oh, okay, let me add you.
Today, I think you have added.
Okay, okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So yesterday only got two students offer. I mean, few more guys are in pipeline. They will also get it. Okay. Because of they studied very well and they clear it in short period. Okay. So in the
Okay.
real time, once you join in the project, this is very, very important. You have to work based on this object 99%. I'm very sure. Okay. And staging advanced DSO, I'll show you. Here we having only inbound table. Okay, I will create and I will show you differences. Okay, later part I will display. Okay, I will take one example and I will show you record mode when the cancel the request in the source level. Okay, and I will create one more. So you are clear, right? How to clear the standard advanced ASO, how to load data from S4HANA to ADSO. You are clear, right? Okay, I'm saving my data flow. So you need to do practice, bro. Otherwise, it's very difficult to remember these options. Okay, I'm giving name. Okay. So let me activate data flow as well for your reference. Okay, close and close it. So now again, I will create staging advanced videos. Explore data flow, explore data flow. Now I'm drag and drop data store object. See here, I just click on here and right click and I'm going to create new data store object. So now go here. What is our info area? Trip ABC example. ABC I'm selecting. So now I'm going to new. We need to give based on the architecture. We need to give. Okay. ADSO 2. I'm going to 02. Okay. Staging advanced DSO test. Okay. I'm selecting this data source. Okay, now you can click on this. And what is my system? This is the system S41900. Double click and click on finish. By default, it is selected staging data store. 1 minute. By default, staging advanced DSO will create. So for this staging advanced DSO, we don't have any keys. If you go to details, see we don't have manage keys. So when I go check, we won't face